Hello children, all of you welcome to our GK class. Children, all of you had your breakfast? Okay, very good. So children, all of you please take your textbook, take page number 260. Children, today we are going to learn our fifth lesson, which is number crunching. Number crunching. Okay. So let's start. Help the rabbit reach the carrot. Solve every problem given below as per the signs. It implies multiplication, subtraction, etc. Then use the boxes to trace a path to reach the destination. Help the rabbit reach the carrot. Solve every problem given below as per the signs. It implies multiplication, subtraction, etc. Then use the boxes to trace a path to reach the destination. So children, let's help the rabbit to reach his destination. Okay. Look at the textbook. The first one, 5 into 4. 5 into 4. Children, 5 into 4. This is a multiplication, isn't it? What is multiplication? Children, multiplication is the repeated addition of numbers, isn't it? It is the repeated addition of numbers. Here, we have to find the answer of 5 into 4. That is, we have to add 5 4 times. So children, listen. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is equal to 20. 20. So, we can write 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So children, the first answer is 20. Now children, look at the second one. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4. It is a subtraction. So children, what is subtraction? Subtraction is the takeaway of one or more numbers from one another. Okay. So children, here we have to subtract 4 from 12. Okay. So children, 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Children, now the third one, 9 into 8. 9 into 8. So again multiplication. Okay. So children, let's check the multiplication table of 8. Listen. 1 into 8, 8. 2 into 8, 16. 3 into 8, 24. 4 into 8, 32. 5 into 8, 40. 6 into 8, 48. 7 into 8, 56. 8 into 8, 64. 9 into 8, 9 into 8, 72. So children, the answer is 72. Children, now the fourth one, 24 minus 4. Again, multiplication. So here we have to minus 4 from 24. Children, 24 minus 4 is equal to 20. The answer is 20. Okay, now the next one, 10 into 10. 10 into 10. Children, listen. 1 into 10, 10. 2 into 10, 20. 3 into 10, 30. 4 into 10, 40. 5 into 10, 50. 6 into 10, 60. 7 into 10, 70. 8 into 10, 80. 9 into 10, 90. 10 into 10, 10 into 10, 100. 100. The answer is 100. Okay, so children, 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Okay, now the sixth one, 6 into 3. Again the multiplication. So here we have to add 6 3 times. 6 plus 6 plus 6, which is equal to 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. So children, that is 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 18. Okay. Now the seventh one, 100 minus 99. 100 minus 99. Children, 100 minus 99 is equal to 10 minus 9 is equal to 1, isn't it? 20 minus 19 is equal to 1. Children, now 100 minus 99 is equal to 1. The answer is 1. Okay. Now the eighth one, 16 minus 10. Okay, 16 minus 10. That is, we have to subtract 10 from 16. So 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. 6. Now the ninth one, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Addition. So children, here we have to add 8 4 times. Okay, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So children, the answer is 32. 32. Okay. Now the 10th one, 12 plus 10. 12 plus 10. 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. 22. Okay, the answer is 22. Children, now the 11th one, 12 into 17. 12 into 17. So here we have to multiply 12 into 17. Okay, children, 12 into 17 is equal to 204. 204. Okay, children, now the 12th one, 3 into 7. 3 into 7. Again, multiplication. So children, 3 into 7 is equal to 21. 21. Okay. The last one, 5 into 8. 5 into 8. Children, 5 into 8 is equal to 40. 40. So children, finally we reached the destination. Okay. So children, this lesson is over. Now I will give you some questions. Okay. Listen. 2 into 3. The first one, 2 into 3. The second one, 14 minus 2. 14 minus 2. Third one, 7 into 6. 7 into 6. Now the fourth one, 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4. Now the fifth one, 10 into 5. 10 into 5. Next one, 8 into 3. 8 into 3. Next one, 20 minus 19. 20 minus 19. Next, 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10. Children, next one, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, now the last one, 4 into 4. 4 into 4. Okay, so children, solve all these problems with the help of your parents. Okay, so children, let's meet in the next class. Have a nice day.